Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply navy style theme in Soundpad. So let's begin. So you would like to look a bit different. You've already toggled dark mode and light mode. You want something more? Yes, we have navy style theme. So over here, click on File, go to Preferences, then on the third option, which is Interface, you will see the toolbar section. Under style, this is what we need. So by default, this is the light version. Let me just apply that first, and then let's go back. Okay. Then we would like to set this on navy. Okay. So that's it. As you can see, it's not complete. It's similar to dark mode, but it has much more lighter or dark blue tone on it. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.